Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel codersarcade. I am Nisarga. In today's video, I will be explaining another important topics in Tally, that is depreciation. Before moving to the problem, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for future updates and notifications. Depreciation means decrease in the value of assets. For example, if you purchase any asset like vehicle, computer, or furniture, year by year, the value of such asset keeps on decreasing. So, in this video, you will be seeing how to enter depreciation value in Tally. So, please pause the video and make a note of this problem. HAL Company Limited started a new business with 10 lakh rupees. Make a note of this video. So let's begin. First thing in Tally is creation of company. So press Alt plus F3. Go to create company. Company name HAL company. Address Bangalore and Karnataka state. Pin code press Ctrl plus A. Now the company is created. Now press escape. Go to accounts info, press enter, ledger, multiple ledger, create, and select all items by pressing enter. So first name of the ledger is HAL company. It comes under capital account. Next, flat purchased, flat, fixed asset, vehicle. It is also comes under fixed asset. Next, computer, fixed asset. Next, depreciation. Depreciation is an indirect expenses because it is the loss for the company. So it is a new ledger for you guys. So depreciation comes under indirect expenses. Next, depreciation on computer. So we have already created the ledger computer. So there is no need to create again. Next, computer was sold with 30% profit. It should be calculated in accounting voucher. Flat, we have already created that ledger. Petty expenses. Petty expenses, as you all know that it comes under indirect expenses. Office expenses. Office expenses comes under indirect expenses. Office income. Office income comes under indirect income. So we have created all the ledgers. Press enter and accept this ledger. Now press escape. Go to accounting voucher and press F6 in receipt voucher. First transaction is that HAL Company Limited started a new business with 10 lakh rupees. Select cash. HAL Company, that is the amount is 10 lakh rupees. Press enter and accept this. Next, flat purchased. Flat purchased should be entered in payment voucher. Press F5. Select cash. Flat purchased, that is 3 lakh. Next, vehicle purchased. It should also be entered in payment voucher. Select cash, vehicle, and the amount is 50,000 and accept this. Next, computer purchased. Computer purchased should also come under payment voucher and the amount is 15,000 and accept this. Depreciation on vehicle. So this is a new entry for you. Depreciation on vehicle should be shown in journal entry. Press F7. So journal entry is nothing but recording a day-to-day transaction, keeping and record for day-to-day transaction. So if a problem comes under depreciation, if there is any transaction like depreciation on vehicle, depreciation on computer, it should be shown in journal voucher. So by depreciation, select by depreciation. Depreciation on vehicle, that is 10,000 amount to depreciation, by depreciation account debit to vehicle account. Select vehicle here. So 10,000. So you can see here vehicle account, the current balance of vehicle is 40,000. So press enter and accept this. Next, depreciation on computer. So it should also be shown under journal voucher. Select by depreciation, amount 1500 to computer. So amount is depreciation on computer 1500. You can see the difference here. The current balance of computer is 13,500 because depreciation is charged here. So press enter and accept this. Next transaction is that computer was sold with 30% profit. The company is getting the profit, so it should be entered in receipt voucher. Press F6. Select cash, computer. So here you have to calculate. So press Ctrl plus N. So amount, the computer was purchased for the amount 15,000 and depreciation on computer is 5,000. You have to deduct that. So minus depreciation on computer is 1,500. Press enter, 13,500. And next, computer was sold with 30% profit. So 13,500 into 30% profit. 30%. Press enter. 4,050. So now add 13,500 plus 4,050 and press enter. So the amount, the profit we are getting for the asset computer is that 17,550. So press Ctrl plus M here and enter the amount, that is the amount is 17,550. Then 550. Press enter and accept this. Next, flat was sold with 45% profit. So cash, it should be entered in receipt voucher. Flat. Press Ctrl plus N to calculation. Flat the flat purchased at rupees 3 lakh 3 lakh, and there is no depreciation for flat, so flat was sold with 45% profit. So you have to multiply 3 lakh with 40%. Press shift plus 8 for into for multiplication sign. 3 lakh into 45%. Shift plus 5. So press enter. Now the 1 lakh 35,000. Now add 3 lakh plus 1 lakh 35,000. 3 lakh plus 1 lakh 35,000. 4 lakh 35,000 is the profit. Press Ctrl plus M. 4 lakh 35,000. Press enter and accept this. And next, petty expenses 3,000. It should be entered in payment voucher. Press F5. Select cash. Petty expenses 3,000. Next, office expenses. Office expenses is 3,500. Office income should be entered in receipt voucher. Press F6. Select cash. Office income amount is 10,000. Press enter and accept this. Now press escape because we have entered all the accounting voucher. Press escape and go to balance sheet. So the company is in the state of loss because you can see here profit and loss account. The net loss is 8,000 and indirect income is 10,000. Indirect expenses is, see here, you can see depreciation comes under indirect expenses. So depreciation 11,500, office expenses 3,500, petty expenses 3,000. So that's all about depreciation, guys. In the next video, I'll be explaining about partnership. So please subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for future updates or notification. Thank you.